Getting full coverage car insurance is essential, and today we're breaking down exactly how to get it with USAA. Step 1. Understand the basics of full coverage. It's not a single thing, but a combination of coverages designed to protect you financially. First, there's collision coverage, which pays for damage to your car if you hit another vehicle or object. Then, there's comprehensive coverage, which covers damage from things like theft, vandalism, fire, or natural disasters. Beyond the essentials, USA offers other options like uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage, which protects you if another driver is at fault but doesn't have insurance, or has insufficient coverage. Medical payments coverage helps pay for medical bills if you or your passengers are injured in an accident. Step to compare policy options. You can get a quote directly through the USAA website. Start by inputting your vehicle information, driving history, and desired coverage levels. Pay close attention to the deductibles. The amount you pay out of pocket before USAA kicks in. A higher deductible usually means a lower premium, the regular cost of your policy, but you'll pay more if you file a claim. Step 3. Determine your needs and budget. Consider the age and value of your vehicle, as well as your financial situation. Full coverage is a great investment, and the right policy depends on your situation. Remember, USAA members save an average of a lot, and full coverage car insurance makes it easier to be insured. By understanding the coverage options, comparing quotes, and figuring out your budget, full coverage from USAA can provide peace of mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insurance tips and protect your ride.